And Vada Pav got its credibility as with American technology. I told in the initial phase, दो भाई मेले में बिछड़ गए. Somewhere the burger and the Vada Pav met, because on one line the burgers for McDonald's for India was being made, on the other conveyor belt the Tata Vadas for us for Goli Vada Pav was being made. I was sharing this. A juncture was there when everything closed down for us. We had to restart our business in a very new way. Suddenly, we shut down and destroyed our kitchen, and the entire production went to outsourcing model. What do you say? Outsourcing. Can you go to the next slide? Vadas made in a fully automatic plant. This is how Lay's Bingo, Colgate paste, Lifebuoy soap, Britannia biscuit are being made with, it's a brown carton. Can you go to the next slide? Manufacturing date, expiry date. Have you seen? A guy eats in Coimbatore and there is something that he doesn't like. We try and find out from which cold room it has come, from which truck it has come, which plant it was produced, who was the supervisor, and from which farm in Punjab the potatoes came. Imagine doing it for a 10 rupee Vada Pav. Doesn't it require celebration? Can we have? Can you go to the next slide? Frozen logistics. Can you go to the next slide? Innovation at store happened. A mat fryer is very, very costly, 1.5 lakh, 2 lakhs. How can we afford? We also a small business. A Vada Pav cannot afford a huge. So we went to Infosys guy. He made some small software. 170 the flame starts, 180 the flame goes off. We got an instrumentation engineer from IIT and VJTI, and then he started putting it together into solvent. And then at 170 the flame starts, the 180 the flame goes off. The tongue temperature of the product is 70, the viscosity of the basin is 90. That's the kind of standardization we got for Vada Pav. The passion drives the business into the next step. Can we go to the next slide? That viscosity is 90. This is how the Vadas can go. Can you go further? This is the difference people see. But the difference is in the back, what you saw just now. Samne se. So never go by form. What should we go by? Content. What is it? Content. Are you all with me? The few lessons to be learned is never ever give up. There was a stage when the coffin was being laid on us. But one last try. So the match hota hai na cricket ka, 2 over 50 run. Have you seen? Lance Krusner? Yeah. What does he do? He still sticks. Wicket nahi chhodta hai. So somewhere entrepreneurship or entrepreneurs should not leave the bat till the last moment. One weak ball, 2 no ball, and suddenly the match changes. That's it. Can you go to the next slide? Nobody knew us. We wanted to raise money. People will say, what is Goli? The financial world has changed by now. I was going and trying to talk to investors, but we knew. If nobody knew Goli, Vada Pav is a powerful name like Amitabh Bachchan. I keep on saying. Vada Pav is a powerful name like Amitabh Bachchan in food. It's very, very powerful. And I just had to share it with one guy outside Times of India smoking cigarette. The next day it appeared on Times of India. He didn't have money. He didn't have anything. The next day I went to, can you go to the next slide? Indo-US. Chidambaram ji had organized some Indo-US summit somewhere in Grand Hyatt. I jumped the wall, went and shared the stories with Infosys, Wipro. It was an NRI conclave and suddenly it appeared in the news. So you don't wait for things to happen as entrepreneurs. Pehle time material ka problem tha, we solved the problem. Next was marketing. You don't have money, talk to journalists, media. Can you go to the next slide? The media took it like anything. Sakar. Can you go to the next slide? Hindustan Times. Kya Goli deta hai? And with this, what happened was 70 newspapers, most of the television channels covered. I didn't have to go to investors. The investors came to Kalyan. And they asked, and I had the best stockbroker, the best retailer, and a beauty parade for Vada Pav, to invest in the company. Somehow we selected Mr. Jerry Rao, who was a Citibank MD those days, and he was a great name, IIT, IIM kind of personality. And we said, if somebody has to be an investor, he has to be, because Vada Pav ko status chahiye tha. First we got status for Vada Pav with the American technology. Second we got with the Citibank MD investing, and with this Vada Pav got more credibility. Can you go to the next slide? A small amount of fund was raised. We started storing Vashi, Dadar. Can you go to the next slide? A huge store, landmark store. We wanted to expand. Our investor wanted us to expand, but there was no real estate available. 1.5 lakh ka bada, 1.5 lakh rent, 2 lakh rent, 75,000 rent. Can we afford? We said no. This was not possible. And those days, Reliance was growing, Big Bazaar was growing, Subiksha was growing like anything. So anybody who used to go to Mumbai and ask for real estate, he say, sorry, this is already taken by Subiksha. How much rent? 2 lakh, 3 lakh. That was the kind of rent offered. Our investors also panicked. They said, we can't give you the further money. We'll withdraw the money, provided you don't get space. If you get space, we'll give you the money. And they gave me 1 week's time. It took me 1 week, 10 days, 15 days, literally giving up hope and said, kuch bhi nahi ho sakta hai. Again, it came to a stage where the things were going wrong and maybe the investors would have backed out. There was a serious notice. And that's when we found the RA milk booths. Have you seen the RA milk booths on the footpath? Huh? It's a milk kiosk on the footpath of Mumbai. Pedder Road, Walkeshwar. You have heard in Mumbai? Yes. How is the real estate in Pedder and Walkeshwar? Very expensive. You can't get. Super rich people staying there. And no stores also. 55 of these booths were there. 91.10 booths. Gateway of India 2 booths. Kolaba, Pratiksha, Andheri, were all in Mumbai 1800 booths. I went to the people and said, what do you do? They said, we don't do anything. We sell milk for 2 hours in the morning and we are free. He said, vada pav bechoge? And they all said, yes, why not? And kuch jugaad lagaya, we did something. Went to the RA people and within a span of just 1 month, we put 350 booths on the footpath of Mumbai. Everywhere in Mumbai, we could see the Goli vada pav. Well, can you go behind? Yes, yes. And we found a solution. We were again on the verge where everything closed down for a month. People said we won't find real estate, we found a solution. But a lot of times, by this time we put up a huge balloon on Gateway of India, we were trying to put a vada pav. We were trying to sign India's leading cricketer who likes vada pav. We're talking to his lawyer, a big bank, some 50 crores to be raised. That was the talk those days. And at this juncture, something happened. Can you show? Vada pav challa hai America. It was a. Can you go to the next slide? How many of you can read Marathi? It was again a politically sensitive issue. Can you go? Vada pav denar. And with this, vada pav became a politically sensitive issue in Mumbai. And suddenly, we didn't know how to handle it. In business, bomb kahin se bhi aata hai. The bomb can come from anywhere. We thought everything is beautiful and suddenly one of our stores got burnt out. And I don't want to elaborate, but we couldn't handle the situation. My investors panicked, my back-end partners panicked. We had no solution but to withdraw from the RA booth. I was very emotional. I didn't know how to do it. We had put 3 to 4 crores into this particular project and all the money that I had put within 3 months had gone kaput. I didn't have fridge. I didn't have anything. All the money was put into this and I had to withdraw. We said, okay, we'll raise the second round of funding. There are so many investors talking to us and we'll expand outside RA. That was the thought process. At this juncture, it had literally come to a standstill because 350 booths not to expand was a very challenge for us. And we were about to do, can you go to the next slide? Before I could raise the second round, Lehman Brothers happened. You heard about Lehman Brothers? You heard about Satyam? Subhiksha? All the investors vanished. My co-founder used to say, kahan se virus aaya Lehman Brothers ka pata nahi. No, that was the kind of virus it came. And the market crashed. I was left with nothing but 350 fridge and fryer and no money in the pocket and no investors. Goli came to a standstill. By this time, my wife got admitted to the hospital. I reached a situation where we didn't have enough money to pay employees' salary. We didn't have enough money to pay my own daughter's school fees. And everything looked collapsed. That's when, can you go to the next slide? We decided we'll discover the business still further. I have a co-founder called Shivdas. And normally it's a vada pav cutting and does time pass. But whenever things go wrong, he gets very excited. He's like that Lance Krusner, 2 over 50 run. He said, kuch to niklega. He was a strong pillar for the organization at this particular point of time. One store opened in Nashik. We said, we have lost money in RA. We don't produce vadas. We don't produce pav. We don't produce chutney. We run stores. We will also not run stores. Maybe nature doesn't want us to run stores. We said only franchisees will run stores. One store happened in Nashik and we received 300 inquiries and Nashik mein 10-12 dukaan khul gaya, 10 to 12 stores. Nashik somebody ate vada pav, Aurangabad started. Aurangabad somebody ate vada pav, Jalna started. Jalna somebody ate vada pav, Nanded started. Dhulia, Jalgaon, Ahmednagar, and it spread like a virus. In a span of 1 year, we were 75 stores in interior Maharashtra. 75 stores in interior Maharashtra from zero. So what happened? We got closed down and again restarted by rediscovering the business. What happened? Rediscovering. And can you go to the next slide? These are the kind of stores. Can you go? Nanded, Nashik, Shirdi, Jalgaon, and now after a year and a half, the virus still further spread. Nagpur, Amravati, Akola, Pusat, Solapur, Barsi, Pandharpur, Kolhapur, Karad. I never met these franchisees. We didn't know literally what was happening, but from somewhere all these franchisees came when we didn't have a single naya paisa in the pocket and they expanded this business like anything. What is the story? You have a dream. The dream has come in the womb of the universe. It is the responsibility of the universe to fulfill the dream. The universe conspires to help you achieve your dream. And the problem is, you find the purpose, the means will. What is most important is faith. Have you all seen Draupadi Vastraran? How many of you have heard about it? Katrigala? In Draupadi Vastraran, she has his hand on her sari, isn't it? And she says, hey Krishna, help me. Krishna, help me. Does Krishna come? When does Krishna come? When she leaves her hand and says, hey Krishna, help me. Did Krishna come? This is 99% faith. What is this? When you have 100% faith, the universe will help you. That's my thought process that I have learned the hard way. The faith has to be. Have you heard this Hindi movie called Diwar? How many of you seen Amitabh Bachchan's? And there is a dialogue, in the Don's palace or the Don's room. Iftekhar asked him this dialogue. तुम समझते हो तुम एक काम कर सकते हो विजय? विजय तुम समझते हो तुम एक काम कर सकते हो? And Vijay answers, मैं समझता नहीं, मैं जानता हूँ मैं काम कर सकता हूँ. What is it? मैं समझता नहीं, मैं. That difference is not in samajna but in janna. If you have that kind of faith, the whole things can move towards you. Can you go? After looking at Nagpur, Amravati, somebody ate in Bangalore a vada pav in Nagpur and Bangalore started. And Bangalore today we have 20 stores. Mysore started, Hubli started, Belgaum started. Chennai we have a Express Mall, a sample store. Coimbatore and Hyderabad. Can you go to the next slide? Nagpur, Itwari, Chandrapur, Akola, Yavatmal, Amravati, Barsi, Pusad, Kolhapur, Jayanagar, Gandhi Bazaar, Vivipur. Imagine South Indians eating vada pav. Bannarghatta, Matikera. Coimbatore, Veshti, Vibhuti, vada pav. That was very even shocking for me. I used to say Veshti, Vibhuti and vada pav, Our products evolved. This is Sindhi Colony, SR Nagar, Hyderabad. So the business went on its own. Can we go to the next slide? Our products evolved. Can we go to the next slide? Cheese and Szechuan, mixed vegetable, tikki vada pav, palak makai. I ate a corn spinach sandwich in Cafe Day and said, why can't, if you have a palak makai or a corn spinach sandwich and the youth like this, why can't you have a palak makai vada pav? And in Bangalore it's a rage. 50% of our sales comes from palak makai vada pav. Can we go to the next slide? Sabudana vada, because it's a Upas product, Maharashtrians don't eat garlic on Upas Day. So we got a Sabudana vada on a fully automatic plant. So everything done on a fully automatic. We discovered restarting business again and again. Restarting business. Because in Bombay we were not there. We were hardly 3-4 stores. We were in Bangalore, we were in Coimbatore, we were in Nagpur. And vada pav was only available in Mumbai and Pune. And besides Mumbai and Pune, we did this business everywhere. What is it? Rediscovering a market. Are you with me? I used to wonder those days, what happened to be the faith was, Pizza Hut and Domino's, did they put all their stores inside Italy or outside Italy? And the whole day, the paradigm was, let's do vada pav business in Mumbai. So suddenly I used to think, if Pizza Hut have put their stores and Domino's outside Italy, across Europe, across the world, but they are hardly present in Italy, why should Goli vada pav be in Mumbai, but rest of India? That's a thought process that helped us in taking. Can you go to the next slide? Business is all about machinery, material, manpower, methods and marketing. We all have heard? Machinery, all the M's, money, manpower, methods, marketing. I didn't have the money, we didn't have the manpower, we didn't have the methods, we didn't have the marketing ability. We had only material. So what happened was that in real life situations, you have to play with whatever you have got. You have a football which is broken, start kicking a broken football. Don't wait for somebody to come and put the hair, somebody to give you a t-shirt, somebody give you a, what is this? Nailed shoes, what is it called? Spike shoes and 5,000 rupee shoes and give you a long manicured garden and somebody will come and whistle and the action will start and we'll start playing football. The real life situation is, you have a material, do business with material. This दिन पैसा आएगा, पैसा रख के expand करो. Are you with me? In business, my co-founder is, again, a guy who is, he is also a BCom graduate and he didn't study very well, to a large extent. But he always used to tell me, I have learned one thing in my BCom. What is it? Business is a going concern. It can never stop. So whenever investors told, this business won't run, he used to tell, business is a going concern. So going concern is what is very important in your mind. Can you go to the next slide? We started doing marketing because we are a FMCG space. I suddenly discovered there is something called social media and digital media where Zero cost marketing. जेब में पैसा नहीं, but you have to do marketing. Can you go to the next slide? I used to eat a vada pav, drink a cutting chai, and sit on a wall. It's called Katta in Mumbai, you know. And can you go to the slide behind? Behind? No, you take it behind, yeah. And the new generation Katta, I found was where? Wall? I said, my generation has changed and the new generation is on Facebook, not on the wall outside my college. And then said, vada pav plus cutting chai plus Amchi Mumbai. And I saw my daughter, whatever you say, biscuit eppadi irukku? She said, awesome pa. I said, biscuit la enna awesome irukku? If you ask her something, kari eppadi irukku? Awesome. So I said, the new generation uses awesome like anything. So he said, vada pav plus cutting chai plus Amchi Mumbai is equal to awesome. And it got a huge digital recognition. And can we go to the next slide? We created something called Goli Gyan. It was the IIT, IIM type youth. You know, they always study. He said Goli Gyani, Gyani Gol. There are some set of youth who are morely into Karina, Bipasha. We created a Garam Goli for them. You know? And that's how the whole evolved. Discovering your market. This is Goli Google, you know, Rediff, MSN, Yahoo. Can we go to this? I saw a Marathi guy making a movie, Marathi director outside Nasik. Suddenly I stopped the car. My all employees, co-founder said, "Kya ho gaya? Bathroom aa gaya?" I said, "No bathroom." I saw a guy making movie. Went and told him, "We have 100 stores in Maharashtra, and I can give you 100 banners when you release the movie." He said, "Great, give me." I said, "I got 50,000 vada pavs being sold every day those days, and in 10 days it will be 5 lakh. On every butter paper I can give you your advertisement." He said, "What do you want?" I said, "I want 5-minute scene in your movie for Goli Vada Pav." And with this, can we go to the next slide? Hero heroine meeting in Goli Vada Pav bus stop started. And one movie started, second movie started, third movie started. We discovered our marketing. Through our own way. So every Marathi movie comes to us and then we make, you know. So the marketing never stops. So zero cost marketing. What I am saying, जेब में पैसा नहीं, क्या करना है? जो मिला है उससे बैटिंग करना है. Can you go to the next slide? TIE recognized as the most innovative company which has survived Lehman Brothers. And then after this beautiful thing happened. Vada Pav meets Tatas. I suddenly found myself next to Tatas. Can we go to the next slide? Tatas and Infosys has happened. I said to my investors, even Goli can happen here. I use this thing whenever I went to the investors. I said, Vada Pav ka business ho sakta hai? Can it become a brand? So this was the most beautiful thing, coincidence that happened. I said, if Tatas and Infosys can happen, even Goli can happen. This was TIE Mumbai. Can you go to the next slide? I suddenly discovered, you don't have money for marketing. The talks became very famous. Somewhere at TIE, people liked our talk. I started IIT, IIMs, ISB, wherever, you know. I was there at Liba, Loyola last month. The talks became, and wherever the talks happened, the media covered. After the media covered, we started getting franchisee inquiries. That's how we moved from 25 to 125 stores. Can you go to the next slide? This is Wellinger. Can you go to the next slide? Can we go? All 5-star hotels. This is Asiacom. This is Pramod Sinha, you know, McKinsey worldwide ad. Suddenly, this is ISB did a case study. Can you go to the next slide? ISB did a case study on Goli Vada Pav. With all led a lot of credibility to Vada Pav business. Suddenly, the media picked up. Economic Times. 3 to 4 times. Can we go? Can we go? This was Bangalore Mirror. This is after Coffee Day. Can you go? They said the next best story in India is Goli Vada Pav. There was a New Jersey radio station which did popular our program. There was a documentary made in India on Bajaj Auto. For 5 days they shoot Rahul Bajaj. The second documentary was made on Adi Godrej and Godrej Industries, old brands of India. They were looking out for a new brand somewhere in the US. They did Google and they found Goli. They made a 5-day documentary on Goli Vada Pav and me. It is being played all over the world. Suddenly the buzz went all over the world. So what I am trying, the buzz has to continue. The buzz has to continue. Whatever you do in marketing business, if you don't have money also, the buzz let it continue. There are foreign university students suddenly started visiting India. William and Mary. Can we go to the next slide? And the brand of Vada Pav started getting built on a buzz of talks, Google, Facebook, YouTube, blogs. I met Ratan Tata, I said Vada Pav meets Tata. I wrote a blog. Some journalist noticed it. I met Vinita Bali at the summit and said Britannia bites into Vada Pav. I saw a South Indian Narayan Murthy eating Vada Pav. I said South Indian Narayan Murthy succumbs to the temptation of Vada Pav. Stories started getting circulated on the blog. The media picked it up. Whatever I am saying, creativity आ जाता है. जब में पैसा नहीं है तो क्या हो जाता है? Creativity आ जाता है. And all this led to the development of a brand called Goli Vada Pav. Can you go to the next thing? After Superman and Spider-Man, we created Goli Man. Can you go to the next slide? Marathi Lagin. Lot of creativity. It doesn't cost you money, isn't it? It doesn't cost you money to do this. Just get your. This was beautiful. Sounds of Mumbai, which I say. प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 4 की गाड़ी प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 6 पे आ रही है. कृपया यात्रियों से निवेदन है कि प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 6 पे चले जाए. Have you heard? We recorded this and played in Bangalore and Coimbatore. A guy from Infosys was some party, a Maharashtrian boy. He suddenly had कू प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 4 की गाड़ी प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 6 पे जा रही है, कृपया यात्रियों से निवेदन है कि प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 6 पे चले. He had tears in his eyes. He said, I was born and brought up in Mumbai. I went to US 5 years. Then I came to Bangalore 4 years in Infosys. And I ate vada pav and he had tears. He brought 200 other Infosys boys. And the brand started getting built on sounds of Mumbai or something to do with Mumbai. Can you go to the next slide? Ganpati Bappa Moria. Trade. Can you go to the next slide? The Bollywood connection happened. Can we go to the next slide? But the most beautiful was Hub Goli Ka. This happened to us very beautifully and wonderfully. We still had not raised money. We are still going through a struggle, but we have made 125 stores. And suddenly, with whatever all this we did, Goli became 4 states, 30 cities, 125 stores, 4 crores plus vada pav sold. A brand, they say, I don't know. This is it. And suddenly last month, a venture capitalist from Chennai, can we go behind, invested 21 crores and vada pav started being recognized as an industry. And I think this requires celebration. This happened last month in Chennai. Can we go to the next slide? Picture abhi baki hai. I say we just have started a beginning. 125 stores, we still have a huge way to go. We have to solve a lot of problems and hurdles. Maybe we'll reach 1,000, maybe 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. We are just looking towards it. That's the end of the story. And through